Oh, this is that, man. We reach here. Whoa. We reach here. Whoa, we reached this destination. This was what I was looking for. This is a guha, a cave. But we cannot take the car inside. We'll park here and we'll have some cool pics. I didn't know it's here, but I at last reached here, man. This cave. Let's explore this cave, yeah? This cave is in middle of nothing. This is in middle of nowhere. See? Yeah, man. See the beauty of the cave and the beauty of the area. Oh, my poor guy. My poor boy. See, oh man. Yeah. I think this is waiting to drop. If it drop, maybe whole bunch will come down. So don't touch anything. So see, this is the view from inside the cave. A huge cave, yeah. Huge cave. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. So we'll just leave from here. So we'll go to Al Nahwa, and from there we'll go to Al Madha, which is in Oman again. Here, man, this is water. This is Khorfakkan. Borewell. We are going somewhere. We don't know where we are going, man. ഭൂമി ഉരുണ്ടിട്ടല്ലേ അപ്പൊ നമ്മള് തിരിച്ചെത്തും ഷുവർ യെസ് At last we have seen the road, man, the proper road. Oh, now where we will go? Left or right? Guys, we are officially in Al Nahwa, which is the part of Sharjah. So we are here in front of Al Nahwa. Oh man, there is cafeteria. Yo! It's written that it's for rent. It's closed. Oh! There is water, man. There is water. Let's drink some water. Oh, so we are in UAE and we are in Sharjah and we are in Al Nahwa. So this is part of Al Nahwa. So here we can see, this is Al Nahwa School and Kindergarten. There is Al Nahwa Health Center, and here it's me. Guys, so when we just moved from that area where we bought water, we are officially entering Oman, man. This is Oman flag. So we are going to enter Oman again. Yeah, we are going second time inside Oman. So this is really interesting, yeah. This is interesting, yeah. Very interesting, yes. So it's this time inside Oman, it's very good roads. Yeah. So this the photo which is shown here is the previous ruler who is having the world record for longest hierarchy. We have two options. You can go to Madha or Oman border. So we are going to Madha. Let's go and see Madha. It is in Oman. I think we are inside some village.
എന്താ ഇളനാട് തോന്നുന്നു കളി റൂട്ടത്ത് തിരികണ പോലെയുണ്ട്.
So where we'll go? We'll go to Madha, okay? Guys, we have lost our way and see what we found. We have found an old fort, Omani fort. It's cool, right? Sam, you sleeping? Let's go. That is the Sultan Qaboos Mosque behind me, and we are in Oman. Oman, without any visa, without any immigration, and without any passport. We are here in Oman, and in this COVID time, it's very nice to travel like this. So this is today's video, and if you like my video, don't forget to like it and do subscribe, and see you next week. Bye bye. Bye bye. Sultan Qaboos. Hey sir. How's that? Really good? Oh. He's telling only.